the lines in 3, 2, 1, go.
Match for the final match in our first round of playoff competition here at the Pikes Peak Regional. 4 teams meeting in the middle. Big crashes. 16-19 Upper Creek Robotics, a great volley up, while a sky-high volley from your hometown Cougars Gone Wired in for that Red Alliance. Tally-up period. The driver steps to the controls. 2 minutes, 20 seconds of play. 74-85, Moco Robo doing a little bit of surfing of their own on that neutral zone. 95-86, Denbot collecting that fuel up in the middle, while their teammates a big volley. The high fives, a great volley up for that Blue Alliance. Big push from Upper Creek on the Cougars Gone Wired to free them from the fuel. Back in that neutral zone. Big crash on that far side of the field, meeting between the Cougars and the Moco Robo machine. Shift back to Red Alliance. Great shots from both sides with high speed and accuracy. That Cougars Gone Wired and Upper Creek. Trying to slow down that scoring is Denbot laying down a big defensive hit on our number 2 Red Alliance. 1977, that's the Power Squids looking to power their way to a victory in this match. Big crash on that high five machine, trying to slow down that 7th Alliance. On that far corner of the field, that's going to be 95-86 Denbot, a good score for that Blue Alliance. 16-19, back in that neutral zone, collecting up that hopper so that they're ready to go when their shift begins right now. Meeting that Red Alliance on their own side of the field is not just Moco Robo, 74-85, but also the high fives, trying to lay down a defensive stand. Some big crashes on that red side of the field, trying to slow down that scoring. The lead for red is mounting, but we'll see how this one shakes out, folks. 49-44, that's high fives going back to their side of the field, trying to get those final shots in our last 30-second endgame period. 1977, welcome to the scoring party. They're shooting some shots of their own to try to build that score for the number 3 Alliance. Great shots from Upper Creek, 16-19 with just 10 seconds left. 29-96, they grab on. They're trying to pull themselves up. 16-19, trying to get some last shots up in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, folks, let's check out those scores from our final upper bracket match. Number 3 Red Alliance by a big score of 260-149. They will move on to the upper bracket. Match 8 is when you'll see them next. They'll play against that number 2 Alliance. Meanwhile, Alliance 6 will play in match 6 against that number 7 Alliance in that lower bracket.